Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Finsta account. Stay tuned until the end to learn all the steps to create your private Instagram account and enjoy a more personal and secure social media experience. So let's get started. So basically, Finsta is a short term used for fake Instagram. Now, this is an Instagram account which is used by teens and young adults to document more real, candid posts they share with their close friends. Now, Finsta is a private account which is only followed by 10 to 20 people. Finsta allows users to post more funny snapshots of their daily lives, or they can share inside joke moments with friends. Now, creating a Finsta is a simple process. However, you will brainstorm a unique username that does not use your real first or last name. Additionally, you will want to make sure that you do not use a real photo of yourself as a profile picture. Remember, your Finsta should be impossible to find unless you share the username with friends. Now, in order to create a Finsta, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and click on Settings. Now, scroll to the bottom and you will find this option of Add Account. Tap on it and now click on Create New Account. Now, you will need to choose a username for your Finsta. So, make sure to pick something unique and fun, but make sure it does not reveal your real identity if you want to stay anonymous. And once you have chosen a username, tap Next. Now here you have to create a password for your new account. So make sure it's strong and secure and then again tap on next. Now here Instagram will ask you to complete your profile by adding an email or phone number. So you can use an email or phone number that is different from the one linked to your main account. And now you will need to complete your profile. So add a profile picture, bio, and other details you would like. But remember, this is your private account, so you can be as casual or creative as you want. To keep your Finsta private, make sure to set your account to private. For that, tap on Settings, then Privacy. Now you can see the option of private account, so toggle this on. This way, only people you approve can see your posts. Now if Insta is ready, you can post new pictures and videos and invite your closest friends to follow you. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.